the location of that enemy ball somewhere on the canvas just by using the random integer block and going from 0 to height, 0 to width, just like we did in the Canvas app when you were placing your signature. All right, so let's try doing that. If you click on the enemy ball and you look at the purple command blocks, there is a command block that will allow you to move the enemy ball to a different position, and it gives you the notches for X and Y. That's perfect. That's exactly what we need. So we'll bring that out. We'll get it set up. All right, so for X, this is going to be from 0 to width. And for Y, it's going to be from 0 to height. The width and the height of the canvas. So I need those blocks. I can go in the canvas, come down to the green property blocks and grab height. And I can go back in the canvas and also get width. All right, then I need to go into math and grab the random integer block. And this is going to be from 0 to width, and from 0 to height. And the two 100s I can just chuck. All right, so now once that enemy ball gets run over and I score a point, it's going to take that enemy ball and relocate it someplace random on the canvas. Some of you, when you were doing your homework assignment for the canvas, you were saying like you could go from 0 to 300, and for the Y, 0 to 600. You were just making up numbers. All right, it works, but it's not going from one corner down to the other corner. That's what that height and width block are for. All right, so now when you run over the ball, you should notice that it jumps someplace else on the screen. That is working. It just makes it a little bit harder, to score points. You have to work for it a little bit more. Okay. Any questions on that one?
It's good. It's good. Good.
Let's see if we can figure out the time. Right now we're at 10 seconds, but it never moves. So we want this to count down to 0 so that we can end the game. That means if we're working with time, we're probably going to need another clock, which we do. So let's go out to Designer View. We know how this works. Go down to Sensors, and in the sensor